Unit 2, Listening and Speaking, page 27. Exercise 3. Listen again and choose the correct words.
Hi, Ali. What are you doing?
Hi, Nasir. I'm just reading my comic book right now. What about you?
I'm reading this article about how important routines are for children.
That sounds interesting.
It is. Do you have a morning routine on school days?
Yes, I do. I get up every morning at 6 o'clock and get dressed for school. I always eat breakfast at 6:30. At 7:30 every morning, I get on the school bus. What about you? What's your morning routine?
I wake up at 6 o'clock, but I don't get up until 6:30. I first have breakfast and then I get dressed. I always get a ride with my mom to school so I'm not late. What about in the afternoon?
I do my homework every day after school. When I'm finished with my homework, I usually watch my favorite TV show. It's always on at 5 o'clock. Sometimes I help my sister with her homework right before dinner. We usually have dinner at 6 o'clock. After dinner, I always help my mom clean the kitchen. I usually play video games before I go to bed.
Wow, it sounds like you're always busy. You need to have some fun. Do you want to go to the movies today?
I can't. I'm visiting my grandparents this weekend. I'm catching the bus at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I'm leaving early. I'm finishing all my homework tonight. Then I'm going to get in bed early.
Okay, maybe another day then.